Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. How long does it take Regions Bank to approve a deposit? Now, I'm not affiliated with Regions Bank in any way, but I'm going to share some information that I've found online and from my own experience. So, let's get started. What type of deposit are you making? The amount of time it takes for Regions Bank to approve your deposit will depend on the type of deposit you're making. Here are a few of the most common types of deposits. Cash deposits. Cash deposits are typically processed immediately. Check deposits. Check deposits can take up to 5 business days to clear. Wire transfers. Wire transfers can take up to 3 business days to clear. Mobile deposits. Mobile deposits can take up to 1 business day to clear. When did you make the deposit? The time of day you make your deposit can also affect how long it takes to process. Deposits made before 8 p.m. Central Time on a business day are typically processed the same day. Deposits made after 8 p.m. Central Time or on a weekend or holiday will be processed on the next business day. Is this your first deposit with Regions Bank? If this is your first deposit with Regions Bank, it may take a little longer to process. This is because the bank will need to verify your identity and account information. What is the amount of the deposit? The amount of the deposit can also affect how long it takes to process. Larger deposits may take longer to process than smaller deposits. Are there any holds on your account? If there are any holds on your account, your deposit may be delayed. Holds are typically placed on accounts for things like overdrafts or suspicious activity. So, how long does it typically take? Based on the information above, here is a general timeline for how long it takes for Regions Bank to approve a deposit. Cash deposits, immediately. Check deposits, up to 5 business days. Wire transfers, up to 3 business days. Mobile deposits, up to 1 business day. It's important to note that this is just a general timeline, and the actual time it takes for your deposit to process may vary depending on your individual circumstances. What can you do to speed up the process? Here are a few things you can do to speed up the process. Make your deposit early in the day. Make sure your deposit information is correct. Use mobile deposit if possible. Contact your bank if you have any questions. What should you do if your deposit is delayed? If your deposit is delayed, you can contact your bank to find out the status of your deposit. You can also check your online banking account for updates. The amount of time it takes for Regions Bank to approve your deposit will vary depending on a number of factors, including the type of deposit you're making, the time of day you make the deposit, and whether this is your first deposit with the bank. By following the tips in this article, you can help to speed up the process and get your money available as soon as possible. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'll see you next time.